Hi everybody, how you doing today? So this morning I had to go out and go shopping, which I know is a big no-no right now, but I needed some food. I wore gloves, I wore a mask, and the worst part about it was I was only seeing one other person that was actually wearing gloves and a mask. So that was kind of scary. But I'm glad I got what I needed, and I thought since I'm out, I'll grab some paints, and I grabbed a bunch of neon paints. So I got neon blue, neon pink, neon green, yellow, and orange. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm so excited about these colors, I'm going to mix them all together. The other thing I'm going to do, if you watch my previous videos, you know I'm having a hard time with a strainer. So I was looking around my house to see if I could find anything, and of course I found a little birdie. I thought he might work really well, so I took the top off it, and I'll just hold it like that while I'm pouring, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll get all the paint in here. So if this doesn't work, then I'm going to jump right in and I'm going to try this. So those are the two things that I found today to try. All right. Are we ready? Well, what do you think? I think I'm pretty happy with it. I don't think I want it to run any more than that. But I'm happy. I actually finally got the effect. I think I'm still going to try that a little later. And I'm going to leave this one as is because I think it's very, very cool. And we'll go from there. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed. So please subscribe to the show and please leave some comments and hit like as well. I'd really appreciate it. And you guys have a great day. Everybody stay safe out there.